Too many people are running YouTube ad campaigns without the right targeting, and it's leading to them just wasting a ton of money because they've got campaigns that are not performing as they should do. Whereas if we have the right audience that we're displaying our ad to, half the battle is won. And I want to share with you the 3 types of targeting that I use that has allowed me to scale my YouTube campaigns to multiple 7 figures a year in revenue. So first I'm going to share with you what these 3 main targeting options are, and then at the end of the video I'm actually going to walk you through it step by step and show you within my dashboard how to go ahead and locate these audiences and set them up for yourself. Let me first quickly tell you 2 types of targeting that we no longer use that used to be very popular, and maybe you're trying to use them now and you're wondering why they're not working or you can't find them. One of them was called placements. Placements was where you would put your YouTube ad on top of someone else's video. You would go ahead and find as many videos as you could that were relevant to your topic, and then you'd select those as videos that you'd like your ad to show on top of. The second was finding keywords that people are searching for on YouTube that you could then target your ad with. Now, these are 2 types of targeting that we don't really use anymore. They have lost their effectiveness. In fact, YouTube has removed our ability as advertisers to use some of the stuff that we used to be able to, and we've completely gone in a different direction, which leads us to the 3 that I'm going to share with you that are far more powerful, and what we have seen is far more profitable as well. So here's the first type of targeting that we're using. It's URL targeting. It's where we can find competitors' websites that have the audience that we would like for our advertisements, which is leading to our business, and we can select that as an audience. Maybe you didn't know that you could do that. Maybe you're a little newer to YouTube ads and you thought you could only target people on the YouTube platform itself. We are so far from that. There are so many more options now, and this is one of the best. Google and YouTube share data because YouTube is owned by Google. So when someone visits a website or searches for a type of website on Google, YouTube knows that, and we can use that as an audience. So let's say that you're in the fitness space. Imagine finding all of the big public figures in your space and targeting the URLs of their websites, or big fitness blogs like bodybuilding.com and others. We can find all the people that are going to those websites, really prime, really targeted traffic, and now when they next go to YouTube, we know who they were, we know where they were searching, and now we can hit them with an ad. We find these audiences to be super profitable and really, really targeted. And you can even get a little bit more creative with this, and you can target URLs for your competitors' payment pages or checkout pages or post-purchase pages. Now, granted, those audiences are going to be a little bit smaller, but now imagine that you're putting your YouTube ad in front of people that have been on your competitors' payment pages. They're clearly showing intent to buy one of their programs, or maybe they already have purchase one of their programs, and now we can be targeting buyers without actually paying a premium. The second targeting option that we've been using is Google's own audiences. Now, because YouTube's owned by Google, you're actually running your ads through the Google Ads dashboard. So when I say Google, I'm still referring to advertising on YouTube. They have taken all the data that they have on the users on the YouTube platform, and they've categorized them into different topics that these people are interested in. It's based on so many factors: the videos they're watching, the keywords they're searching for, the way they're interacting on the platform. And because of all of those reasons, they then put them into different buckets, and you can literally scroll through these different audiences and find the one that is most appropriate for your business. You could even be testing multiple different categories and testing them against each other and seeing which of these audiences is working the best for your business, and then spend more money on those ones. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far, I've actually put together a free resource for you that will dive a bit deeper into these 3 targeting options. It's called Unstoppable YouTube Ad Targeting, and I break down for you the different ways that we are targeting so you can have this out next to you next time you set up a YouTube ad campaign. There's a link in the description box or the top comment to where you can go ahead and just give me your name and email and tell me where you want me to send that. And the third audience that we've been using is custom Google audiences. Now, that is different to the one I just mentioned. The second one was Google's own audiences, and the third is custom Google audiences. So what's the difference? Well, the main difference is that with custom Google audiences, we are targeting people based on what they searched for on Google. This is an amazing audience because when someone actually wants something, where do they go? They don't go and scroll Facebook. They don't even go and find videos on YouTube for the most part. They go to Google and they type in exactly what they're looking for. So we can target people based on all of their search results in Google and hit them with an ad on YouTube. So let's say you're a vocal coach, like one of our clients, Lisa Hugo. She's been working with us for years. She can target someone on Facebook or YouTube in different ways and say, hey, if you need some vocal coaching, then I'm your lady, and here's how I can help. And that does work and it is profitable. But now imagine she creates an audience of people that are going to Google and saying vocal coaching, I need vocal coaching, best vocal coach, all of these different keywords right when they actually want what it is that Lisa has, and she can then hit them with an ad, and it's really, really successful. So I mentioned at the beginning of this video that now I'm going to walk you through how to find and locate these audiences and set up a campaign for yourself, and that's this video right here. Go ahead and click on that. That is an A to Z of exactly how to set up your first successful and profitable YouTube ad campaign. I hope you enjoy that. Feel free to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button, and I'll see you in a future video.